Hello, it's Jenny from a Stamping Journey. Have you made an accordion fold before? I've also seen it known as a shutter view card. You can show off both sides of your pretty papers, which is really great. So I'm going to show you how to create one. I'm going to give you the scoring measurements for it because that's the important part. I'm not going to finish off the card because you can decorate it however you like. But make sure you stay to the end. I've got another version to show you. So let's get started. We'll bring in our paper trimmer, which has the scoring blade on it. And what you'll need is a piece of designer series paper. I have cut that to 29.8 centimeters by 14.4 centimeters, or 11 3/4 by 5 1/4. You'll also need a base card mat that is 10.5 centimeters by 14.8 centimeters, or 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inches. I added the card base to mine just to give it a little more stability, especially if you want to stand it up. But you could just leave it just with the paper if you like. It's also nice to have that little bit of colour showing through behind it. So let's get to the scoring. So you are going to score it. I'll run through with the metric and the imperial. So place your card on your trimmer. Make sure it's butting up against the edge there. Keep that trimmer blade out of the way. You don't want to use that. We don't want to cut. So with our scoring blade, you can use the scoring plate that you have, the scoreboard, if you prefer to use it that way. But I like to score it with the paper trimmer and the blade. So you're going to score it at 4.4 centimeters or 1 3/4 inches, at 12.1 centimeters right along there, or 4 3/4, and 19.7. So we need to open our trimmer for that. Go along right to 19.7. I hope you can see that. Or that is 7 3/4. So you've got 3 score lines that you need. So we can now move the trimmer out of the way. Now it comes down to folding it. So get your scoring blade as well, the tool, and you're going to fold on the score lines. So we're going to do a valley fold, so fold it up that way. Give it a good press with your crisp those edges. Fold it back that way, scoring it, crisping that fold, and then score this one back in. So it should all line up for it down. So you have a shape. Each side is a little bit smaller than the other. So then all you need to do is stick that down onto your card mat. So just placing your adhesive on the back. Oh, now just a point about the patterns that you use. I found it worked better if you have something that has a busier print on one side and a more plainer print on the other, just so the patterns don't clash too much. But it's certainly a personal choice. But it's nice having that variation in that print. It's just a subtle corresponding colour. So place that on there. So to finish off the card, I have used the Painted Lavender set. Isn't it the most gorgeous one, and coordinates so beautifully with the paper? I've cut that piece out with Everyday Details die, and just add a little piece of white inside. You don't want it too wide, that will go across and show underneath, but it's nice to have a little area to write on. Now all of these are available in my store. If you want to get hold of some of these pretties yourself, you can find the link in my description or on Facebook. It's in my profile. By the way, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? I share lots of different card folds particularly. So be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any projects that I share. So after we've made that, decorate it, I want to just show you another version. So this one I've made with the trusty tools, the trusty toolbox paper. You can't get that available anymore, sadly. It was available for celebration, but I made this a few weeks ago and I actually cut out the tools from the designer series paper there. You're the most awesome. And just a little piece there for writing on. So I hope that you go and make one yourself. Be sure to save the project so that you can come back to refer to it. Save it to Pinterest or save it to your saved videos, and you get to make one because it's a really great way of showing off that paper. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.